Hello, my name is Meretsky, and today I will be talking to you about lowest common multiples. Here's a step-by-step explanation of lowest common multiples because you might not know what they are. First off, let's start with multiples. Multiples are numbers that are made after you multiply a number. For example, a multiple of 3 is 9 because 3 times 3 is 9, which means that 9 is a multiple of 3. A common multiple is a multiple that is the same as another multiple. For example, 2 has a multiple of 12 and 6 has a multiple of 12, which means that 12 is a common multiple between 2 and 6. The lowest common multiple is the first common multiple between two numbers. For example, the lowest common multiple of 6 and 3 is 6 because 3 times 2 equals 6 and 6 times 1 equals 6. Therefore, the lowest common multiple of 6 and 3 is 6. Some common mistakes for lowest common multiple are messing up multiplication, skipping the first common multiple by accident, and some will not go far enough. Messing up multiplication, skipping the first common multiple, and not going far enough can happen if you're rushing to get things done. I know I rush to finish a lot of my work so I don't have to think about it. Some ways to avoid these mistakes are to take your time and review carefully to see if you missed anything and to see if you made any mistakes. Also, try to go as far as you can to see if you can eventually find the lowest common multiple. Here is a word problem for you to solve. Pause the video and see if you can try and solve it. Today, Douglas and Montrose faced off against each other in a hockey game. Douglas has hockey games every 5 days and Montrose has hockey games every 4 days. When will they face off each other again? Answer: they will face off against each other again in 20 days. Here's how to do this word problem. What you do is that you put 5 and 4 on a number line, and you count up the multiples 5, 10, 15, 20, and then 4, you count up the multiples of 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20. As you can see, the lowest common multiple between 5 and 4 is 20, which gives you the answer 20. Here are some questions that you can use to try and solve yourself. Pause the video if you wish to try them. Here's a nice fun game that you can play with to help you with LCM, aka lowest common multiple. Thank you so much for listening to my presentation on lowest common multiples. I hope you learned a lot. Thank you. Bye.